Good morning, students. Today we will see the topic body section. In our previous video, we have seen the head section of HTML coding. Now today we will move to body section. Okay, body section. The coding content enclosed within body and close body tag is body section, as we have already seen in our previous practicals and previous videos. Body section. Okay, in this session we will discuss first body tag as a visual element of HTML coding. Now what is visual element, that we will see. Second thing, attributes of body tag. What are the attributes? Background, BG color, text, A-link and V-link. Okay, and lastly we will see color coding in HTML. Now how colors can be added using certain codes, that is called hex code, that we will see in the last part. So let's move. Body and close body, the visual element of HTML coding. Now why it is called visual element? Because the content given within the body section is actual content we want to display through browser. Means the web page content we want to display is the actual content given within a body section. Now the visual content can be decorated, so body section will also have, the body tag will also have certain attributes to decorate the page. Now what are these attributes? Attributes of body, that is, first is a background. This attribute is used to add image as a background to the web page. General syntax: body background is equal to path of the image. Okay, here path of the image can be absolute or relative. For our convenience, we will keep the relative path by keeping the image file at same location of our web page file. Means where we will save our web page, at the same location we will keep the image file, so that by simply using the name we can add that image as a background of our web page. Okay, next is BG color. This attribute is used to add color as a background to the web page. Now background is used to add image as a background. Here BG color is used to add color as a background. Okay, the general syntax: body space BG color, then color name or its hex code. Means either we can give color name or the hexadecimal coding. Using color name, we can provide few basic colors like red, green, blue, pink, orange. Maximum 10 to 15 colors we can provide, right? But to have a variety of colors, we can use color hex code. Okay, so what about color hex codes? We will see in the last part of this video. We will discuss about hex code in later part of session. Next is text. See, we are looking towards the attributes of body tag. First we have seen background to add image as a background, BG color to add background color, and next is a text. This attribute is used to provide colors to the text content of entire web page. Suppose we want to set certain fixed color to the content of our web page, we can use text attribute in a body tag. General syntax, that is body space text is equal to color name or its hex code, same as BG color. Okay. Next is A-link and V-link. Now what is A-link and V-link? These attributes are used to change the colors of active links and visited link. Now what is active link and visited link? First, active link: the link in the web page which is not clicked yet. Means whenever we start the web page for the first time, The links which are given, which are not clicked, are active links. That is, we have not followed the link and visited the content. By default, the active link is given in a blue color. Okay, now next is visited link. The link which is clicked and followed its content, right? Visited link means the link which we have clicked and moved to that particular content. By default, visited links are represented in purple color. Okay, general syntax, that is body space a link is equal to color, v link is equal to color. Now in the color part, again we can use color name or its hex code. Okay, so these are the attributes of body tag. Note, all the attributes of body are optional and we can use them as per our requirement. Means it is not necessary that every time we have to use all these attributes. We can add them as per our requirement. Okay, we have to add all the attributes in a single body tag. That means we cannot use body tag multiple times. We have to use body tag only once and all the attributes in a same body tag. Okay, for example, you can give, if you want to use the attributes background and text both, then the syntax will be body space background is equal to path of the image space text is equal to color. Okay, next part is background and BG color can coexist parallelly. Now here the contradiction occurs. If I say, if I am using background image, then why I should use BG color? Okay, if I am using a background color, background image, then why BG color is used? Why we can add? It is sure that we can display either image or particular color as a background at a time. At a time we can see either image or color, but still we can use both the properties in a body tag parallelly, just to have a safer side. That is, if the background color is not displayed for any technical reason, the background color will be displayed at least. Means, for example, if I have used certain background image in our web page and for certain reason that image could not be displayed, then at least BG color will be used. So here background is equal to path of image and BG color equals to color we can give. Okay, so let's have a break. You can pause the video and revise the content. Okay, you can take a break for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, we can move from here. The next part is color coding in HTML. Color coding means, see, for adding colors we can give name, but instead of that names, I said we can use the colors. So what are that? We can let's move. As we have seen, by using names of color we can use few of them in our coding. To use variety of colors we use hexadecimal color coding system. Now what is hexadecimal? It is highlighted over here, which is also known as hex code. Now what is hexadecimal? It is a color coding system showing the intensity of 3 primary colors. Now see here, we are using 3 primary colors, which are that red, green and blue. All the 3 colors are represented using 2-digit hexadecimal code, where the hex numbers represents the intensity of that color. Means 2 digits for red color, 2 digits for green color and 2 digits for blue color. That means we can have 6 digits color code for any attribute. That is 00 is no color and FF is the highest intensity of color. Hexadecimal number. Now what are hex codes? What is 00 and what is FF? That we can see here. These are the numbers of hexadecimal number system, which is different than our routine decimal number system. As we know, we are using decimal number system where we are having 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Here, unlike 10 digits in decimal, we have 16 digits to represent. In hexadecimal, we are having 16 digits. Instead of 10, we are having 16 digits. So how they are working? In decimal digits, we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 10 digits. So we are having a base of 10. In hexadecimal, we are having 16 digits, which are that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C, D, E and F, that is total 16. Hence here we are having the base of 16. As each color of 3 primary colors are represented in 2-digit hex digit, we can have the combination of those colors intensity and so have the mixture of those colors. Means, as I said, we are having 6 hexadecimal digits, which is a pair of 2 digits representing each primary color, red, green and blue, right? So it will display a mixture of that color's intensity. For example, body BG color equals to hash 001A 5D. Here 00 will represent red color, 1A will represent green color and 5D will represent blue color. Here 00 means there will be no red color, 1A means certain intensity of green color and 5D means certain intensity of blue color. So we will be having a mixture of green and blue color. Okay, see here I have added hash. So this is the syntax part. Whenever we are using the hex code, we have to prefix with hash. The combination we get new colors variety. Okay, now for easy reference, I have given certain codings which is also given in your textbook, that is FFFF means all the colors mixture will give you white color. In FF and all other 0 will give red color, same way green, blue. Now mixture of red and green will give you yellow color, red and blue magenta, blue and green cyan, and all the colors, sorry, here it should be 0000, then no color. Okay, so make correction over here, this should be 000000. Okay, fine. Note, all hex code must be prefixed with hash. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Okay.